Welcome back to A Taste of K. I'm back with another video where I'll be showing you how I make these bacon wrapped mini sweet pepper poppers. They're just like the jalapeno poppers without the heat. The ingredients I'll be using is sweet mini peppers, bacon, cream cheese mixture, as well as toothpicks. For the cream cheese mixture, I'll be using plain cream cheese, some shredded mozzarella cheese, some diced green onions, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, as well as onion powder. Feel free to jazz up the cream cheese mixture any way that you like. Just be careful with the salt since the cheese as well as the cream cheese already have salt in the bacon, so just be careful with that. With the mini sweet peppers, I did clean them and dry them with a paper towel. I'm going to remove this part with the stem, and I'm also going to remove the seeds and the membrane so I can have enough space to place the cream cheese mixture. Remember, this is a sweet pepper, so there won't be no heat. Place the cream cheese mixture into the mini sweet pepper. I'm going to use a Ziploc bag. I did start off with a sandwich Ziploc bag, but that was not a good idea. So I did end up using a freezer bag. Feel free to use a Ziploc freezer bag, or you can use a piping bag if you have. So I'm just placing the cream cheese mixture into the Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to pipe it into the mini sweet pepper. After adding the cream cheese mixture into the mini sweet peppers, I'm going to use the bacon to wrap around the peppers. As you can see, some of the peppers are smaller than others. So for the ones that are smaller, I'm going to cut the bacon in half. And the ones that are more on the larger side, I'm going to use a whole strip of bacon. You can go ahead and place the toothpicks to keep the bacon in place. For some of the larger ones, I didn't even bother using the toothpick because I just wrap the bacon completely around it and it won't unravel while it's cooking. While I'm wrapping the mini sweet peppers with the bacon, I do have the oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm also placing the peppers on top of a cooling rack, so once it's cooking, it's not sitting in the oil. All the oil will drip to the bottom. I allow this to cook in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes or until the bacon is nice and crispy and the sweet pepper is cooked through. If you've made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now.